welcome back to my channel. So I feel like it's been a while since I've done a sneaker video. As you guys know, I was in America for like 2 weeks and I just got back from my trip, and today we're going to be talking about the Yeezy Boost 350 V2s in the Gid colorway, or also known as the glow in the dark pair. Now this is set to drop tomorrow, which is the 25th of May, and Yeezy Supply and Adidas.com actually did a surprise drop online like 2 days ago, and I was caught off guard, so I wasn't able to cop myself a pair. The retail price for this is 380 Australian dollars, which is higher than all the other 350 V2s in the past because it's usually 340 Australian dollars. So this time around it's $40 more, and I think that's because of the glow in the dark material. Now I don't know that for sure, I'm just assuming that's what it is. As you guys can see, this is a very bright colorway. It is a neon green, and personally for me, I feel like this is either a sneaker that you love or hate. It is very bright and I actually really like it. I do like a good pair of neon sneakers. Do I own any? Yeah, I do have the Romeros in the green, but yeah, I feel like it's a good pop of color. And as we all know, these glow in the dark, which is the, I guess, main feature of the sneaker. And personally for me, I feel like that is a kind of novelty thing because they won't glow in the dark that much because the glow doesn't actually last too long. Now in my footage you can see that the whole sneaker glows. I've seen other people's videos and the whole sneaker doesn't glow as strongly. Like the part that glows the most would be the midsole. The upper of the sneaker is actually knitted with a glow in the dark material, but if you just charge it with a regular light, it won't glow as much. The entire sneaker glows, even the pull tab, the laces, the outsole not so much. Realistically, if you're wearing it for like a day-to-day thing, even if you go out with these at night, it will not glow as strongly as you guys can see in my footage, and that is because I charged it up with a blue light. Now I don't even know why I have this. I guess it comes in handy. So if you charge it up with a blue light and turn off the light, it does glow very strongly. But again, who just casually has a blue light? I don't know. I don't know why either. Having said that though, even though the glow in the dark thing is very cool, it is not the first time I've seen Adidas do a glow in the dark sneaker. When I thought about glow in the dark sneakers, the first thing that came to mind is this Sneaker Boy and Wish Pure Boost collab that came out in 2017, part of the sneaker exchange thing that they were doing like all year round. They were having sneaker collabs, and this is actually a pair that glows in the dark. Now I don't know whether you guys remember this, but I obviously have it, so I remember it. So yeah, as you guys can see, the sneaker is white, but it does glow in the dark. So I'm going to turn off the light so I can show you guys. Give me 1 second. So I know that there's still a little bit of sunlight from the outside because I closed my blinds, but it's still a little bit bright. But these are the Yeezys when it glows in the dark. Now I didn't charge this with a blue light or anything, and you can see that the outsole glows very strongly. So these are the Pure Boost that glows in the dark. You can see where it's glow in the dark and where it's woven with just a normal material, whereas the Yeezys, for example, so I'm going to charge this up so you guys can have a closer look. So the Yeezys have a much higher level of glow in the dark material woven through it, where the entire sneaker glows, which I think is very cool. The charge doesn't actually last very long, so it just wears off after a while, but I still think it's a very cool feature. And yeah, I'm gonna turn the lights on now and continue on. As I was saying, this is not the first time Adidas has done a glow in the dark sneaker. Even though you guys saw from the footage before, the Yeezys do glow a lot stronger compared to the Pure Boost that I have, and I still think it is a very cool feature. And as I mentioned before, it is a novelty thing because realistically it's not gonna glow as strongly as you saw in my footage because, again, because of this blue light. If you just charge it with natural lighting, it does glow very strongly on the midsole, but with the upper it doesn't glow too much. And yeah, I feel like I don't have too much to say about these sneakers. I do like them personally. It is a very bright colorway, but I do like how they made it a tonal color instead of adding too many details like the semi-frozen yellow, for example. I kind of feel like this sneaker is like the semi-frozen yellow, where the first time they released it, it was super limited, and that's why people really wanted a pair. purely because it was so limited, and this time around the glow in the dark ones are actually lower in quantities compared to the previous 350 V2s that we've seen in the past few months. And as you guys know, they did the surprise drop on Yeezy Supply and adidas.com, and then they will be releasing them at selected retailers tomorrow. But from what I know, the quantities are quite low, so this will be considered one of the more limited or rare pairs of Yeezys. Now, it's been a long time since we've had a lower quantities in terms of the 350 V2s. The other one I can think of is the static reflective ones. Now, those ones, they only dropped on Yeezy Supply, but then this time around the glow in the dark is actually available at selected retailers, so that makes me think that these are not as limited as the static reflectives. I hope I'm making sense. But yeah, anyway, in terms of sizing, I know I said this in all my other videos, I personally find that the 350 V2s run small, so I recommend going half a size up for these. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for me today, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the 350 V2s in the Gid or glow in the dark colorway. Let me know if you managed to cop a pair on Yeezy Supply or whether you're going to be copying a pair tomorrow. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys really soon. Bye. And it's obviously like a neon green kind of color, and I was gonna say obviously again. I keep saying obviously. Stop saying obviously! This bitch. Anyway, the upper is actually knitted with a glow in the dark material. Glow in the dark. The most, I guess, concentrated levels of, oh my god, I'm not making any sense. The Sneaker Boy and Wish collab. Sneaker Boy and Wish collab. Ugh. Do you guys, is the light behind me flickering? Damn it, I think I have to charge it. I bought these Oreos when I was in America, and they're the red velvet ones, and they're so good. Oh, this one's a little bit crushed. Look at it. Focus! Hello? Do you guys like my new Supreme top? I picked it up when I was in New York, and then on my bottoms I'm just wearing these like banana pajama pants. But you guys can see that, so it's fine. But anyway, I need to stop. Oh my god, I need to get this video up tonight, so I'm gonna stop rambling.